I've got a pet, it's unusual fella. They say it's a threat, it's called salmonella. Can bring it a vet when she's sick, 'cause they kill her immediately. When you're fine, my temperature's high. When you are ill, my heart pays the bill. Oh why, this relationship's killing me, literally.